We want to solve the equation sine of x minus 20 degrees is equal to 0.74 for values of x in the range 0 to 360. Once again, we'll use the cast diagram to do this. To look for our principal value, we start off with our equation sine of x minus 20 degrees is equal to 0.74. So the principal value is got for the x minus 20 degrees by doing shift sign or inverse sign on the calculator of 0.74. And this would be equal to 47.7 degrees correct to one decimal place. We can mark this onto the cast diagram here. Since we have a sign and it's positive, the other one will be in the S quadrant, and symmetry means it would be 47.7 degrees from the horizontal axis. We now want to look for solutions in the range from 0 degrees to 360. So we start at 0 and we meet our first solution at 47.7. Remember, we're solving for x minus 20 to begin with. So 47.7 degrees. We continue and the next solution is 47.7 before we get to 180. So we do 180 take away 47.7, giving us 132.3 degrees. We then continue on around until we get to 360, but we don't meet any more solutions. Since so far we've solved for x minus 20 degrees, to get x on its own we need to add 20 degrees to each of the solutions we've obtained so far, and this gives us that x is equal to 67.7 degrees and 152.3 degrees.